some sort of like testing done. Liner. Such a good answer. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Savannah if you are new here. Today we have a very productive day in my life. Hopefully that is what I'm planning for. It's 8:42 in the morning and I'm about to be headed to my first appointment of the day. I might have 2 appointments today. We will see. I have to call my doctor whenever they open. I have an imaging like appointment scan. I'm not really 100% sure what type of scan it is and I don't want to like mess it up. But as you guys may or may not know, I have struggled with UTIs for the past like 3 years of my life. I just have not really found any answers as to what's going on. So recently I was able to get an appointment with a urologist, and so she ordered me to get like a pelvis scan just to see if there's like any kidney stones or maybe like a cyst or something, or just like anything going on down there that we can't really tell just based off of like a urine test. So I'm going to do that today. My appointment is at 10, but I have to get there at 9:30. I just realized I forgot to freaking put on perfume this morning, but luckily I have my Scentbird perfume, so we are good to go. Also a quick thank you to Scentbird for sponsoring today's video. I have 4 of them right here and I keep them in my purse at all times because I never know what smell I'm gonna want to wear that day, or if I just happen to forget my perfume before I go to work or something. I always have these. I love taking these to work because I'm not having to carry around like a huge bottle of perfume. These are just so much more convenient. I think this is the one that I really like. Oh my god, yes, this is the one that I freaking have been loving so much recently. This is the Marc Jacobs Daisy Oh So Fresh. This perfume is to die for. It smells so good. It has a very fresh but sweet smell to it, and this perfume lasts so long. But what's really cool about these is they're literally magnetic. You can just pull it off like this and pull your perfume bottle out, and this is a 30-day supply, you guys. So you just pay $17 a month and you get to try whatever fragrances you want to try. This is the other perfume that I've been liking recently. So excited I was able to try this scent out because I've seen this scent everywhere and I've always wanted to try it, but I just again don't really want to spend money on a fragrance that I don't really know what it smells like, doesn't know how it wears on my skin, how it meshes with my natural like body aroma. Love Unfiltered. I have just always wanted to try like the juice perfumes. They look like these. This one also smells really good. Super citrusy, fresh. These are super easy to close them. All you do is just flip it like that, and then to open it and spray it you just go like that. And then again, these are openable, so it's literally just a magnet that just slaps right on. But if you're looking for a new fragrance, I definitely recommend trying out Scentbird first and just trying out different scents and then deciding to purchase the full bottle. They have many different perfumes, colognes, and unisex options, so there's something on there for everybody. Make sure to click the link below to visit Scentbird's site, or use the QR code and use my code SavWay55 to save 55% off of your order, which would end up making your first month around $8. So baby, that's a steal. But yeah, visit the link down below in my description box and that'll take you right to Scentbird's website. And don't forget to use my code SavWay55 at checkout. But thank you so much again to Scentbird for sponsoring today's video. I'm feeling so fresh and so clean. It's about 8:53 right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and head over to my doctor's appointment. It's all the way over in Mesquite, which I'm in Dallas right now, so it'll probably take me like 20-ish minutes to get there. But I do have my to-do list already written out for me, so as soon as I come back home, we're going to start tackling that to-do list for the day because I really want to try to be productive. I don't have work, so might as well make use of our free time.
Here, may I help you?
Hi, I was wondering if Dr. is in the Dallas or Mesquite office today.
Okay, Savannah, I'm going to send a message over for the nurse to call you, okay?
Okay, thank you. Just called my gynecologist and they said they're gonna message my doctor's nurse to call me back. So we'll see if she calls me back. It's 9:14 right now and I just got to the imaging place. I'm waiting for my mom to get here because she has to give me our like medical card and then some packages that went to their house. But I'm really excited to finally be here and to finally be getting some sort of like testing done. I did go to the urologist at the beginning of February and we did like a normal urine scan or like urine sample, but I have yet to have any sort of like imaging scan done on my pelvic region to see if it's anything further. Here is my mama now.
I forgot to get the card from your dad, so I'm gonna have to give you cash. Your contacts are in here.
Oh, yay.
But make sure they give you a receipt for this so I can get reimbursed by that card, okay? But that's the brand that your prescription said you could have. So.
Mashbox. Ooh. liquid lipstick and lip liner. Period. Oh, I'm excited about these. I got these for Archie. They're like little dog treats. Want to try some?
No, I'm not eating a dog treat.
I'm not saying to eat it. No, I'm just saying like for the dogs. They're like supposed to be organic.
Oh, no, let him try them.
Good, nice dog treat. Am I such a good auntie? All of these taste so good. Great flavor. Oh, look, I got a new makeup bag. How cute it is. It's like vintage. Oh, it's adorable.
Kind of matches the print on those earrings Linda Faye made me. All right, love you. What is the most important thing you get?
Receipt.
A receipt. And if you go to the other doctor, you're gonna have to pay for it and get a receipt so I can reimburse that too. Will you let me know how you turn out in the machine?
What if they say, oh my god, you have a huge cyst, we have to rush you
Well,
to the
they aren't gonna
hospital
say
right now.
that. Well, if they do, then we're gonna go to the hospital. But they ain't gonna say that because they don't read the results. Okay, love you.
Love you too. Run into Walmart real quick because some chicken preps out for dinner tonight and I need some mozzarella cheese to go on top of the asparagus. I just made it home. It is 11:23 right now. I have a few packages downstairs, so before I start cleaning and doing everything else that I needed to do today, I'm gonna go grab the rest of my packages. I needed one that was like higher up, like height wise, but I feel like this one's just gonna be too big, like, and it's not even taller really height wise, but it's like longer lengthwise, so I feel like this is not even gonna fit inside of her cat tree thing. I'm really hoping and praying it does, because I do not want to have to return anything. Like, returning stuff is just so annoying, so I really don't want to have to do that. I just made it back upstairs and I tried it out and it is way too freaking big, so now I'm gonna have to freaking return this. It didn't even come in a box, so I don't even know how I'm supposed to go about returning that, but I'm gonna have to return it somehow. And then the other package that I got these little Arm & Hammer pet scents to put like in the litter box, like you put it like in the side of the plastic part. I don't really have that much on my to-do list, but I could probably figure out things to do. So here was my to-do list for the day. I already went to my scan, grabbed stuff from the grocery store, grabbed my packages. So really I just have some work stuff I need to do, and then I just need to clean my room, fold my laundry, and clean out her litter box.
Making me hate you, probably think it's painful, but really I'm grateful. I think I've seen this before. This is the part where you say you want me to. I say I love you, then you go act a fool. That's how the story goes, just wanna let you know. No need to sugarcoat it. It's getting old, there's not much to uphold. I'll most likely go ghost. No need to sugarcoat it. I can't be the one hey, yeah. What you look for? It's not overdue. Deja vu. I thought I was psycho for you. Play tricks with my mind like voodoo. Might be a danger to you, but that ain't old news. Delusional clues. That's how the story goes. Just wanna let you know. No need to sugarcoat it. It's getting old, there's not much to uphold. I'll most likely go ghost. No need to sugarcoat it. I can't be the one hey, yeah. Follow to deja vu. you. Told me to come through down 0282 Deja Vu Avenue. Deja Vu. Deja Vu.
It's now 1:53. I just finished cleaning and doing pretty much everything that I needed to do chore wise. I'm just waiting on the dishes to be done so that way I can put those up. But I do want to post a YouTube video tonight, so all I have to do is the thumbnail for that video. So I'm about to work on that right now.
We don't do nothing subtle, let's get busy. Capital on my trucker, let's get busy. Baby, you know there's nothing, don't be silly. Already know what's up, okay, let's get it. Tell me who want that smoke, you know I'm with it. Tell me who want that smoke, you know I'm with it. Tell me who want that smoke, you know I'm with it. Tell me who want that smoke, you know I do not pick and choose, no, I get plenty. I can afford to lose, that's why I win it. Y'all be up in that foo-foo, we not twinning. Rubber bands on my loot, yeah, I make Benjis. Photograph when you see me, catch it a moment. I got the magic like genies and I got the potion. All 10 toes on the pavement, but on these beats feel like I'm floating. All this water.
Thumbnail and video are done and prepped and ready to go, so I can upload those tonight. Now I basically just have to go and edit some other videos that I have. I filmed like a little mini reel that I need to edit. I also have 2 YouTube videos that I need to edit. So we're just going to be grinding super hard the rest of this afternoon, and then I'm gonna cook dinner later on. Together tonight.
Yeah, so and if she says that I ain't on Martha Stewart era, I'm not.
He's in his Martha Stewart era for tonight.
This is like a once a month kind of thing. But I cook pasta, which anyone can cook some pasta. Bitch, she went ahead and she washed her veggies. She is marinating her chicken. What are you making?
Asparagus with chicken and the broccoli. And I might put the rest of my beans on there that I had from the other night. But anywho, we have some asparagus. I just have like one thing of it, and then I just washed it off, and I'm just gonna cut off the ends real quick. We can just throw these away. This is gonna be a super easy dinner. I already prepped all of my chicken, so it's been marinating since yesterday. But for our asparagus, we're just gonna put this on a sheet and kind of spread it out a little bit. Actually, I think I'm gonna do it this way. Yeah, we're gonna do it that way. I'm gonna take a little bit of olive oil, and I'm just gonna basically drench my asparagus. You don't want too much though. I'm gonna take a little bit of pepper and just sprinkle this all over top. We're gonna rub this in, so don't really worry too much about the way it looks and stuff. Then you can use regular salt, but I'm just gonna use some garlic salt. No special reason, to be honest, just this is what we have. Now we're gonna get a little bit fancy, and we're just gonna basically rub this all together. I think I might have put a little bit too much olive oil, so I'm hoping this still tastes pretty good. I definitely put way too much olive oil. I must be losing my dream.
Come on, baby. Ah! She said I'm a cook, I'm an artist, I'm a singer, I'm a songwriter, I'm a pole dancer.
Everybody keeps asking me, did you get your pole yet? And I'm like, no, not yet.
Honestly, girl, I think I could learn a thing or two from a pole, so.
Oh, now you want to get a pole. Now you want to get a pole. Okay, we'll have one next week.
Yeah, what I'm talking about.
This is my chicken marinade. I put like soy sauce, ground cumin, paprika, lemon juice. I put a whole bunch of shit. I'll pop up the recipe right here for the chicken marinade that I use, but this has been sitting all night, so hopefully she is nice and juicy. I totally forgot that I put out bread earlier because I was gonna make like a Subway sandwich at home. So instead of letting this go bad, I'm just gonna cut this in half. We're gonna try to make some like garlic bread or something. I don't fucking know, girl. I decided to switch over to voiceover because there was so much going on in the kitchen, but I kind of wanted to explain what I was doing just so you guys weren't like, what the fuck are you doing? But basically I just dumped completely completely like all of the chicken into this pan and just pan fried my chicken or grilled my chicken. I don't even know. So yeah, I just cooked it in this pan on the stove. And then I also made this cheddar broccoli like macaroni situation. This is one of my favorite sides ever to have. It's so good and so easy to make. So I just did, I believe it was a cup of water and a cup of milk and then a tablespoon of butter, if I'm not mistaken. And then I just put all my asparagus as well as my bread in the oven and just let that cook. And then my chicken was done, so I just pulled the chicken out. Pretty much I just wanted to come in here and talk to you guys and kind of explain everything. But it was a very, very easy, simple dinner and definitely one that you can make when you don't have that much time. I was filming me like telling y'all the recipe and everything, but then there was just a lot going on in here, so I just switched over to voiceover for a little bit. But I'm basically done cooking. I'm just finishing up my macaroni and then my asparagus are still cooking a little bit. I want the cheese to really, really melt on top of them, so I'm just waiting for those two things. But I went ahead and took my bread out. This is what the bread's looking like. I honestly don't really have high hopes for this because it was just such a last minute thing, but this is what my chicken is looking like. It looks so freaking good. I can't wait to try it. And then here is my little pasta. It just has a little bit longer to boil. And here's what the asparagus is looking like. She's looking delicious. Forgot to close out this video because after I was done cooking, I ate my food and then just really wanted to relax for the rest of the night because I had a pretty busy, compact day. I just want to come on here real quick to say thank you to Scentbird for sponsoring today's video, and then also thank you guys for watching and being here. I genuinely appreciate every single one of you, even if you just come here just to simply watch the video. If you're commenting and interacting on my video, any which way it goes, I'm very grateful for you, so thank you. If you like today's video and you vibe with me and you want to continue to follow me, definitely head over to my Instagram and my TikTok. I will have them linked in the description box down below, but I'm a lot more active over there. YouTube I've kind of gotten less active on. I just been a little tiff with YouTube right now, so definitely more active on my other pages. Definitely still subscribe here because I'm still posting. Yeah, I love y'all and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.